Sent him a note from Dresden.
Did you know?
It's for the owner of the orchid. Says they require the services of a Heartrender tonight.
An Outlander, scholar.
Doesn't
Don't bring in a Heartrender unless you need an answer out of someone who isn't willing to talk.
Pecker Rollins knows.
Pecker on it.
Ew.
I need a Heartrender tonight for a million Kruger job. And you got one.
You wouldn't have done it. I could get you a good wage for a bloody hour.
I'm not renting Alan. It's got a job. So here's the deal. Work for me. Give over this dump and the orchid and I'll give you 10%. The other option is I'll carve you up and leave you in a barrel for the rats.
You might think about it twice, you know. Pekka Rollins wants an Outlander Milana to work for Dresden, like Kaz, Inech, and Jesper, to cross the ford. Did I get that right? Someone new again! I'm already!
General Kerrigan.
Curadian.
3 times that incident. Would you go first soon enough? I'll be back before you know it.
And I'll be here the whole time. Viendo, cosa que pasa a mí.
Do you like her also?
We can run together.
You wanted to escape with him? You also have feelings for him? Okay, I can really ship them quick. I was gonna say stealing these maps. You're not? You're burning them? You're burning them all?
How did this happen?
We don't know. We were extra careful to secure all the lanterns.
The territory on the other side of the town fold. Those records.
Nah.
I'll go. Put me on the skiff. I'll go.
Yes. Your whole unit will.
You're condemning all of
I
them.
don't understand. We were going south.
What is it really? I mean, I've got, you know, the fact that it's eating people, that it's killing people, it's dark, it's magic, but where does it coming from really?
I could shoot you in the phone.
Thank you.
Tell me to go.
I'm never that sick.
Lie if you have to.
And what's your line? I'm with you.
Get off this boat now, or I'll carry you off.
Guys,
I'll make it.
it's done.
Here's how it goes. We go into the fold. It gets dark, but we like it dark. That keeps us from drawing attention.
Where does it come from, you know, the Ford?
The only light we
What
use
is it
the
made
blue
about?
one at the mark. That's our cue.
Okay, you have air.
You are to remain at your station. Do not, I repeat, do not leave the skip.
Bye bye. Who are you? The general, maybe? Kyrgyzstan, something like that. It's that dark? No light? No sound?
Marker 1. How many more are there? 37.
How many you said? Creatures, monsters are into this world. And people are dying because of them. You want to point at what, guys? You're seeing nothing right now, no? I'm not sure of that. Yes, you're just showing where you are. Oh, and now the earth is on fire. For sure they're gonna see it now. Oh, Alexei, he jumped? Not mal, we said. No, 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 no. Well done. Oh no. Oh no, I was beginning to ship them a little.
I'll meet you at the battle.
Really? Mal, can you do something? What was that? The Sun Summoner. That was a shiny thing, like a light thing. Is she a Sun Summoner? I'm not sure the word. Mal, I really hope that you're alive. Alexei, you survived? You didn't see her do that.
Hakim is gone, boss. Someone else got her.
Ah,
Who?
I think I know who. Oh, the music!
We're here to see Dreesen.
Dreesen. Not Dresden, Dreesen.
One of these has a hole in it.
All right, she stays. The rest of you out.
Nope.
She stays. And we have an exclusive on this job.
No businessman worth his salt hires his first applicant.
No, I will have to report you to the guild for kidnapping and harboring a prisoner without chain of title.
You wouldn't.
No businessman worth his salt bargains for what he can take.
I have to be back in an hour.
Nah. What is she doing?
2 weeks ago, young Alexei here crossed through the ford on foot. Alone.
2 weeks ago, so 2 weeks that they disappeared.
I know an expedition was swarmed by Volcra. Should have been a total loss. But something happened. Some device detonated. Obliterated the Volcra. Lit up the dark like a forest fire. Either it wasn't a fire or else no one would have survived.
So they
This
survived.
is some invention.
Did it?
He knows.
She can read into his mind?
Tell me what happened before.
Oh, she can make him do or say stuff? That was Alina or man? It was Alina. We saw her face, you know.
I tell you, you'll set me free.
You know my word. I'll set you free.
Her name is... Alina Starr.
Do you know her? Kaz? For the chronology, it was 2 weeks ago.
Of course.
Why did you kill that poor kid? They know her name
We are
also.
now the only people west of the fold with this information. My ship sails to West Ravnica at dawn. I'll put you on that ship with an advance. If you don't, I'm giving this job to Becca Rollins.
I don't like you.
Prize is 1 million Kruger. Now bring me Alina Snowcomb.
Musics. I'm really like, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm trying to collect all of the information, all of the names, all of the places, all of the... First things first, it's well done. The pictures are great, the musics are so great. I can fall in love with the musics really easily, really quickly, if it's not already the case. I can imagine, you know, downloading all of the music. Musics are so great, the pictures are so great, the costumes, all of the things about this universe, you know, the fog, but also all of the different powers. I don't know if I can name them powers. All of that, it's well done. The story, for someone like me who didn't read the books, it's hard. it's really hard to really hang on and to really remember everything because they are not explaining anything. You know, they are not explaining any of the powers. Like, I'm not sure that I've got them all, and I'm not sure of all of them what they are doing. You know, I've got the Inferni one, it's about fire. I've got one with about air. I'm not sure about the Squaller. The Art Render, it's for people telling the truth, or maybe people obeying to orders. I'm not sure of that. And now the Sun Summoner can summon sun, you know, lights. That's what I understand, and it seems that they are rare, something like that, because if there are interests like that by what Alina did means that they are rare, or maybe it's only one. They said at the beginning a prediction like a saint who can summon the sun, and at another moment they talked about the sun summoners, and I had the impression that it was people who already exist, but not like what she did, what Alina did. Like, maybe the sun summoners are not rare, but what she did, no one did it before. So she's a special sun summoner? I don't know. So yes, they are not explaining anything about all of these things, the powers and all. The fold, I have so many questions about the fold. What is it made about really? So it's dark, without sound, just screamings and all. Creatures, where are they coming from, these creatures? And this fold, how did it appear? It has to be magic, but it didn't appear just like that. If it's magic, someone did it. You know, if it's magic, no? So you can travel, you can cross it, you can come back without being dead. That soldier is said that he did it 3 times and he didn't die. So you can cross it and don't die, you can cross it and be dead, be killed by these creatures. They are not explaining also all of these different places, like we saw a little of a map at the beginning. Clearly I didn't see really the entire map to put everything at the good place. Like, really, right now, I'm totally honest, I can't really put things into a map. I understand that some Kaz and Inej and Jesper and Druisen and all of them, they are on that side of the map and the other on the other side, but I can't tell around here. I understood that there are mountains. I understood that... No. That's all. That's all what I understood. They talked about a lot of cities, a lot of different places, a lot of different monies also. These ones, I tried a little to locate the big places, but I can't tell really about things. I can't go really further than that. I tried, you know, I was more focused on the names during this episode. We spent a lot of time with Alina and Mal, also sometimes with Kaz, Jesper and Inej. On that side we have also the general, I'm not sure that it's general, Cregan. He seems like someone that we have to fear, or at least someone who is gonna be important, because Alina, I think that she was watching at him, you know, when she was leaving with the boat. I think that it was him, I'm not sure. We had Alexei, who was with Alina. We have the 2 boys, I can't remember their names, you know, the 2 boys, the 2 friends of Mal. Oh, the girl who flirted with Mal. So we have Kaz, Inej and Jesper. The art render, that was Milana. The guy Druisen killed Alexei. The enemy right there, it's Pekka Rollins. But they said so many other names. I mean, Kaz at some point he said the name of another girl and also of another guy. That's what I remember, that's why I've got. But they said also other names, and for now I don't have them. When they're gonna tell them again during the second episode, I'm gonna be like, yes, You, I have to remember you also. But really, see, for someone who didn't read the books, it was an hard episode, you know, to hang on, to not live with the 10 first minutes being like, I didn't understand anything. No, really, I was focused, I was trying to understand things, I was trying to remember things. I don't have any issue with that, you know, to be so focused and to understand things. Again, because I like that kind of shows, movies, which are about one universe that I don't know, and I love to learn the new rules of a new universe that I'm discovering. I like also that kind of universe and all, so it's not an issue for me. That's hard, I'm saying it to you, but I love that. For someone who is discovering the show, you know, just like that, without knowing in advance that he or she has to be focused, without, you know, having this mental preparation, like, okay, I'm gonna need to be into that mind state and all. Someone who would just want to discover a new show like that, this episode is really not helping, you know, for new fans to, when you didn't read the books, when you are discovering a new show, during the first episode, you want to be taken, you know, you want things to be explained to you. And I'm saying that, you know, again, I'm thinking about the time that I binge watched The Witcher and I made reaction videos about it. I remember that I had the same little issue at the beginning of The Witcher with the map situation. Maybe that's one of my issues, you know, when I'm discovering a new world. I need the map to locate stuff. But I remember that it was not so rough for the names of the characters, because into The Witcher we have just a few characters. We have what? First episode, I think that we have 5 characters really that we have to remember the name of. For this show, it's more than that. I can already see that this show we're gonna have at least 10 or 15 characters for who we're gonna have to remember the names and all. I can really think of this show like a Game of Thrones show or something like that, you know, with that much characters. And also the number of rules, you know, of powers, of stuff like that that I have to learn. That was also a little the same for The Witcher, but again I have the impression that there are much more different powers, rules of this universe that I have to discover, to learn. I think that for the fans, that first episode was amazing. You know, I can imagine if I am a fan of books, you know, of an universe like that, watching this first episode, I think that I'm feeling respected because of the fact that they are putting everything like that, like they are putting all of the different places, they are naming them, all of the different monies. I can remember the crooks. They are putting also a lot of different characters, so as a fan of the books I would be like, yes, I wanted to see you, how you look like and all. And the fact that they are not explaining things, for me as a newbie into that universe, it's hard for me to understand, but in a way I prefer, because when they are explaining stuff into a show like that, you know, into that kind of universe, it can be well done, but most of the times it's a little too much, like really they are taking you by the hands to explain you everything. So I'm not mad, you know, that they didn't explain me directly what it is. But yes, I think that fans of the books, they like that, you know, that the writers are not explaining anything and that they are just, you know, putting what is happening into the books with all of the characters that the fans love, with all of these references of this world. I think that the costumes also and all of that, as fan of the books, I can imagine that you loved the fold, you know, discovering how it looks like from outside but also inside. I think that as fan of the books, you liked it, really, this first episode. Me, as a newbie, I really appreciated a lot this universe, really. It can really please me. All of the different things, you know, the pictures are so great, the music's, how it's done, really, I can see that it's really well done. And it's not because of the money, you know, that they put into it. I can see that they really thought of everything, of every costumes, of every situations, of all of the decor and all. I can really see that they thought about everything, and I really love that into shows. So for how it's done, it's really well done. For how it's written, for sure they are respecting the books, because they are putting a lot of things of the books that I don't understand, a lot of things that I understood, and a lot of things that I'm trying to remember, you know, to catch and to put into my mind and to remember. And for the characters, I think that fans loved to discover them. Me, I saw that some of them are going to be really important, some others are gonna become important, I think. And already we have some clues about some potential relationships and how they are functioning together. I'm thinking of that for Kaz and Inej, but also with Cass and Jesper. Alina and Mal, for sure, there is something right there. That was a great first episode. For now, to be totally honest with you, I don't know if I'm gonna post these reaction videos. Again, if you are seeing that on YouTube, it means that I decided to post these reaction videos. But for now, me, I don't know, because really I had to be like that, so focused during the episode. So I saw that it was well done, well filmed, but for the story and the characters, for now, I'm just discovering them, I'm just trying to remember them, so I can't have an opinion on them. Do you understand what I mean? For now, I'm too focused on learning about it, discovering it, remembering it, that I can't tell if I like it. I'm not sure if I'm clear with that. But I'm gonna see that. I'm gonna watch one more episode, maybe two. At least one more episode today. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.